Hey gang, you doing all right? It's cool. How's everyone's week? Nice. Not bad. Kind of just uneventful. Pizza, probably. Yeah. Boop. No. Probably like 3 max. We got another box from Sole Supremacy this week. This is a low cost, probably high value box. These are the boxes I really like. If you remember, 2 weeks ago, I did a $325 box. This box was $300 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $350. Look, that's clearance, it's a counter. I named it because I'm bored, very bored. Follow along with that thing though. It'll tell you how much everything's worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other things that affect the value of a shoe, because that's how it works. So let's open the box. Okay. No surprise, looks like a lot of grade school stuff. Not too much though. Doesn't look like there's any loose pairs. All right, let's get the small foot stuff out of the way first. 4.5 youth, Jordan 5 retro, grade school sizing, obviously. A pair of FIBA 5s. This is the 2020 or 2019, whenever they re-released retro, because they did not have the 23, but they do have Nike Air on the back. I mean, these are in pretty worn shape for a grade school pair, but overall, they're in good shape. I mean, you can see the outsole, not a lot of wear, a little bit of discoloration, but not a bunch. There's some lace locks here. They just need a quick cleanup, so can't complain about that. 4.5 youth. FIBA 5s from 2019 or 20. I don't remember. Hey, you want to buy those? Go to my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. They'll be available for sale. Another grade school pair, I'm assuming. Yep. For youth, Jordan 11 Retro BG. And a pair of the Win Like 82s. This came out with a similar colorway that was all red. Win Like 96. They are no more Jumpman on the insole. Outsole's in pretty decent shape, just a little bit of wear. There's some staining here. Well, it doesn't look like staining, it just looks like dirt. So we'll probably have to clean these pretty good and they'll be good to go. For youth, tough size to sell. Jordan 11 Retro, Win Like 82. I think that might be all the grade school stuff we have left. Nope. 6.5 youth. This is Jordan 4 red blue. So this might be a replacement box. Yes, this is a 5.5 youth, not the original box. These are the FIBA Air Jordan 4s that just came out, I think last year or something like that. I mean, it's just a simple navy and red Jordan 4 with some gold hints to it. And literally the only gold is the Jumpman on the heel. But these are in really good shape. I mean, there's hardly any wear on the outsoles. Got a little bit of creasing on the toe box here. Insoles have the Jumpman still. So these need a pretty solid cleanup and they'll be good to go. Again, Jordan 4 FIBA. Cool. Women's Air Max 1 in a size 8.5, which makes this a men's US 7. These are Deadstock. I think these are called sequin because of the sequin swoosh. Let's see if it'll pick it up at all. It's just a simple red colorway. The upper is like really shiny. I don't know if it's leather or some kind of other material. Swoosh is obviously sequin. White midsole, black outsole. Very clean colorway and definitely like a more premium feel to it, I guess you could say. And they're new, so you can't really complain about that. There you go. Women's 8.5. Sequin Air Max 1s. Those are real recent, I think. Looks like there's 4 more in here. Nike Zoom HyperRev 2016 in a 10.5. I believe these are Deadstock. Yeah, this is the Nike HyperRev. This was like a, I don't know if you could call it like an extra evolution of the Hyper Dunk, but these are just a little bit more sturdy and like they have more support. Just an excellent basketball shoe from what I understand. Probably not much money in these, but still cool take on Nike basketball. This is weird. You hear it? Sounds like something else. HyperRev in a 10.5 basketball shoe. 3 more. Save Jumpmans for last. Another Nike sportswear box, kind of. Huarache Free Shield in a size US men's 11.5. I think these are DS too. I think. Let's see. Can't really tell. Outsole looks either discolored or worn. Doesn't look like there's any like wear though. This is the there was a New York City pack of Huarache shields. I think this is. There was a Yankees one, and this might be Giants, New York Giants. But that doesn't really make much sense because there's not blue or anything. I don't really know which colorway it is, but I mean look at the outsole. The outsole's kind of crazy. Like it's got a little bit of a Huarache feel to it, but it's got this like weird spikiness to it. Got a strap and everything, NYC on it. Just a cool looking shoe. Probably not much value again, but these are from like 2016 or 2017, I think. I don't really know a whole lot about these. I just know that there was a New York pack they released, and this is one of them. There you go, 11.5. New York Giants, I think, Huarache Free Shields. All right. Air Jordan 4 Retro Grade School in a 5.5 youth. Another Deadstock pair. That patch right there makes me think that this is also this patch here. You recognize that from the Jordan 7. What was that one called? For the Love of the Game, maybe? I don't really know. Maybe these are like the women's Jordan 4 version of that. I mean, it's a really crazy colorway. All white outsole and midsole. This like, what does it say? Fireberry? Trueberry? Rush Pink? Interesting. Probably aren't very old. It's like 2018, so not many years on them. Deadstock pair, can't complain, just not a great size. And a very lesser known colorway probably. There you go, size 5.5 youth. Cool. We got one more in here. I think I know what it is by the box. It's a Jordan 13. Yep, Jordan 13 Retro in a size 13. You can see the island green color of the Jumpman on the top of the box. And that's exactly what these are. These are worn, but very, very lightly. This is the island green Jordan 13. A lot of people were saying this is a Diamond Supply attempt at a Jordan 13 because it does have this like pattern on the upper and that like Tiffany blue colorway going on with it. A little bit of nice like aspects to it. The hologram there is actually silver, and there's silver on the Jumpman on the tongue. There is a full Jumpman on the insole. Size sticker is half gone, so these are worn, but not very heavily at all. You can see not much toe box creasing. That might just be a result of the materials being a little bit thicker. See, the outsole's in great shape. You just need a quick cleanup and they'll be good to go. Plus, it's a size 13 on a Jordan 13 is a very good size in my experience. Just a kind of a weird colorway, definitely not OG at all. So there you go, size 13, Island Green Jordan 13s is your last pair out of this $300 Sole Supremacy beater box. Not great sizes, but the shoes are pretty okay. Let's check out the value right now. Having half of this box be grade school is not what I would consider best case scenario, but it's what I would think is in a $300 Sole Supremacy beater box. I think this is a pretty decent box. Might be a little bit tougher to move, but any box under $400 is going to be tougher to move. Hey, if you want to buy any of these, they'll be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Before that happens, every single worn pair will be cleaned and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products. If you want to save 10% on your next Resjuvenator order, use my code SBMitch10 at checkout. It'll save you 10% off the entire thing, which is awesome. Free shipping. They do free shipping, so it's not like you're saving a little bit on shipping. You're saving an actual 10% off the entire order. Clean your kicks. It definitely helps. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think of this box in the comments below. I know I don't do that very often, but hey, why not? We'll see you next time for some kind of other video on this channel. Maybe pancake related, maybe sneaker related. But I can guarantee you very little effort will be put into it. Hey, have a good weekend. See you later. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.